Hey, this is Manda with Scorpion. We like to keep things easy around here, and because we just launched our online shop for pre-cut PPF kits, I am going to walk you through the steps on how to purchase that. So on our scorpionwindowfilm.com website, you are going to go to Shop, Buy Pre-Cut Paint Protection Kits. Because the Ford F-150 is one of the most popular vehicles at the moment, we are going to use that as our example. So I'm going to select the year 2019, the make, Ford, model, F-150, and we'll go with the platinum trim. Here it brings you into all of the patterns that are offered for this vehicle. I'm going to select the bumper as well as the mirror door cup kit. Once those are clicked, you're going to hit select. It's going to bring them up and you're going to add them to the cart. Once in the cart, it's going to give you the different shipping options. We do offer free ground shipping, so that's the shipping that I'm going to select at the moment, and then proceed to checkout. It brings up your billing detail information first. You are going to fill that out. And then the two different options for payment are credit or debit card as well as via PayPal. You'll select one of those. Then we also have our terms and conditions that you can read through, and once those are read, you click that you have read and agree to them and continue to payment. From there it brings up the billing screen where you enter your credit card information, and you'll enter that, and easy as that. You're done and you've purchased your PPF kit.